In this video, I'll show you how to change the audience name in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to click on the sixth option at the bottom, which is audience. Now, once you are on the audience section, head over to the top bar. And on the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, click on the first option, which is audience settings. Once you are on the audience settings, what you need to do is simply head over to the very top, which says audience name. Now, on the right hand side of audience name, you will see the exact audience name in which you use. I use Threadhaven. In order for you to edit this, head over to the right hand side and click on the edit button. Once you do that in here, you are now able to set an audience name. Now, in setting up an audience name, you do have to remember that an audience name is what you call the subscribers of your group. So in here, we have Threadhaven. You can also add the name of your company as well as adding a name such as our subscribers. You can also add the exact name in which you call your subscribers. I'll just add Threadhaven subscribers. And on the right hand side, you do have to remember that you have a maximum of 100 letters when it comes to adding your audience name. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on Save Audience Name. Once you do that, you will see a banner at the bottom saying that the audience name has been successfully saved. And as you can see, instead of just Threadhaven, we already have the subscribers at the very end. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.